Yeled, my dance, it's sung by Ishtar in Hebrew and French. On the cycle, first part, walk 2, 3, sway and sway, go to the center, cross 2, 3, cross 2, 3, forward, backward, half turn 2, 3, open, cross, back 2, 3, full turn, on, back, 1, 2, 3, outside, and front of circle, 2 Yemenite. Transition, first time, open, turn, and open back. The second time, we don't do open back, just do open and turn. Then part 2, 3, 4, turn 2, 3, outside, front and back, inside, forward and back. Go to the center, come back, and to Yemenite, right, left. Open cross, back 2, 3, open cross, back 2, 3, cross, back and sway, turn 2, 3. That's for the first time. The second time, we are right to hop, open, turn 2, 3. And we finish the dance with the first part with no change, sway and sway to the center, cross 2, 3. The music is slower, so we stop and then we go hands up to the center. Yeled.